So today we have a Dell Inspiron 15 5000 series. This laptop is very sluggish to the point that it's not even functional. So we're gonna try to diagnose this to see what's going on. So let's try to power on the computer. Model is a 2018 model. So let's try to power on and see what's going on. Still in very good condition. There's no sign of drop it or anything, or wall damage. So, see, it takes a long time to boot up. This could be, this may be a memory issue, or it could be a hard drive issue. So, it took a very long time. So we think that it may be the hard drive issue because it's making weird noises and it's taking a long time to boot up. So it's booting up, but as you can see, it's not very responsive because it's very sluggish. It's not completely boot up yet, so it's still trying to boot up other stuff. The computer's not running hot or anything. So we suspect it may be the hard drive issue or the memory issue. At any rate, we have to replace the hard drive on this. See, so at any rate, we have to replace hard drive on this computer as well because it's running on the old hard disk. So we wanted to replace it with the SSD. Okay, let's try and do that. So let's turn off, power off. There's no powering up. So we know the computer is working, but just sluggish. So let's take the computer apart and see. So okay, it's battery. So let's try to do a visual inspection. Okay. Oh, what's wrong with this memory? Oh, it was popped out. No wonder. So we remove the old hard drive and put on the new SSD drive and install a new operating system. And let's see if we can solve the problem. It looks like it's installing pretty fast. It may be that we resolve the problem. If there's a memory issue, then the installation will be very sluggish. But here we can see the installation was pretty fast. So it's pretty fast. So let's remove the this one. We don't need it anymore. So it's getting ready. Looks like it's loading pretty fast. It's pretty good. It's loading pretty fast so far. So so far so good. Yeah, it's pretty.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
So let's go there, United States. Yeah, it's pretty fast now. So yes. Skip. Gear. Try to connect this and let's trying to complete the setup. So let the computer finish setting it up, and then we'll go back and test to see if the computer is still sluggish or not, which we don't think so at this point. From what the installation process was pretty quick. If there was an issue, the installation process would be pretty sluggish, as usual. But it seems we solved the problem. Okay, so looks like we solved the problem. So now all we need to do is just put it back together. And okay, let's try to power on again and test it again to make sure. So as you can see, it's loading very fast right now. Before it was very sluggish. So so as you can see, it's pretty fast now. Load pretty fast, and that's it. So the problem with this is the hard drive fail. So we replaced with with another SSD card and install a new operation system in there, and it booted fine and works everything fine. So the sluggish was due to the hard drive failure. So we eliminate the problem by testing the memory module to see if that's the problem. Sometimes it's the memory module that causes the sluggish as well. We've seen that pretty often, so we have to test the memory module to see that. So we found out that the memory modules were not the case. So we went ahead and replaced the hard drive with a new SSD drive and everything, and installed a new operation system in there, and everything works great now. And it's fast, not slow anymore. So so that's guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel so we can bring more content like this in the future. And also hit the like button, and it helps us a lot with respect to the search engine. YouTube search engine. Oh, thank you. Bye for now.